What's going on, listeners? Welcome back to another episode of Just Dropping Gems. I'm your host, Peter. In this episode, I'd like to give you 5 compelling reasons why you should enroll in a 401k plan. For those who want a brief summary of what a 401k plan is, let me do that real quick. A 401k is a retirement savings plan that allows employees to save a portion of their salary and invest it in a variety of investment options. Got it? Number 1, tax advantages. Contributions to a 401k plan are tax deferred, which means that you won't pay taxes on the money you contribute until you withdraw it. This can help lower your taxable income and reduce your overall tax bill. That's right. Number 2, employer contributions. You see, many employers offer matching contributions to their employees' 401k plan. This is free money that can help you save for retirement even faster. Here's a good example. Let's say the percentage you're putting away weekly turns out to be $50 per week. Your employer decides to match it, whatever you contribute, 50% of it. Now, 50% of that $50 would be $25. So instead of $50 going towards your retirement weekly, it would now be $75, which is included the $25 from your employer. That's free money. Number 3, investment growth. Your 401k plan investments have the potential to grow over time, which can help you build a substantial nest egg for retirement. With a variety of investment options to choose from, you can tailor your investments to meet your specific retirement goals. Number 4, portability. You see, unlike a traditional pension that you'd get from some jobs which are tied to your employer, a 401k plan is portable, meaning you can take it with you if you change jobs. This gives you more control over your retirement savings and can help ensure that you don't lose your hard-earned savings if you leave your job. That's cool. In other words, in a nutshell, let's say you decide to change job a few years down the road from your current job. Once you get there, just make a few phone calls, fill in a few paperwork, whatever, and your funds are transferred. Number 5, loan options. Now, this is one of my favorites. Some 401k plans offer loan options, allowing you to borrow money from your plan for a short period of time in case you need it. This can be a valuable feature in times of needs. For example, you could purchase a car, to make a down payment on a car, or to make a down payment on a home. Considering that you stayed till the end of this podcast, here is a gem I'm dropping just for you. Whenever you get an increase in your salary, increase your 401k by 1%, at least 1%.